Hi, this is Dr. Friedlander, and in this unboxing, I'd like to share with you a brand new product that will be available probably sometime in the late fall. It's called Plaud Note, and this is a MagSafe compatible audio recorder that utilizes ChatGPT for automatically creating transcriptions. So I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. And it's got these magnets, and this is actually the Plaud digital recorder that works with Android and iPhones that will record the audio, and then using their app Plaud, you'll be able to use ChatGPT to create automatic transcriptions. I hope to do a demo of that in the next couple of weeks. But I just wanted to introduce you to a new, what I feel is going to be an incredible assistive technology for students entering college who need support in the area of note taking.